Hi, what's up, Boulder Gada? It's been a while since I posted my last vlog. A lot has happened this year. I got married, got a new job, we opened the gym, which I'll be posting maybe a new vlog about it sometime soon. So this time I went to Cebu for a work trip and I had a chance to climb at Rock On Cebu. I met JJ, Pets, and some members of the Cebu rock climbing community. But if you're new in this channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's go! Okay, with me is the Philippine National Climbing Team. Pets, hello!
Hello, Boulder Gada. We're here at Rock On Cebu today, Ayala Central Block IT Park. You guys should come over here in Cebu City.
Hey, hello everyone. I'm with JJ right now.
Hi, I'm JJ. I'm the head setter of Rock On Cebu. Welcome to our gym. So when you arrive at the gym, the first wall that you're going to see is our spray wall. We use an app for our spray wall, RetroFlash. More than 100 routes, 25 degrees. Training area, training fingerboards. So our fingerboards, we have the Peacemaker 1000.
1000.
Peacemaker 3000 on the other side. We have a lot of fingerboards. The first wall is the junior wall, where we usually do our briefing for first-time climbers. Most of the routes here is just like up to V3, really near, just for the kids. But we also put 2 competition routes on the wall, just so that like adults can also use the wall. This part, this is like the closest thing that we have to a slab. -1 degrees, so we don't really have a true slab in our gym.
Okay, now, let's go to the cave.
We try to keep our routes in the cave safe. Most of our routes that go on the roof is like the harder routes. The stronger climbers know how to land.
Okay, so
our
here
walls aren't that high though. This is the U-wall. The U-wall, when we set, we divide into 3 sections. So the left side, the middle section, and the right section. Usually our slabby routes are just here and then there, but it's not slab, it's vertical. And then our most overhanging part is on the corner.
Oh yeah. Introduce the grading system.
The tags we use are emojis. The happier, the easy, the sadder, or the angrier, the harder.
Very cute grading system. Since Rock On opened, what are your thoughts?
Before Rock On opened, I think like there isn't really a lot of climbers in Cebu. We didn't have a gym because our previous gym closed during COVID. Since COVID, we didn't have a gym. We just climbed outdoors. We didn't get a lot of new climbers. So mostly just old climbers. When Rock On opened, Rock On being in the mall, it really made climbing in Cebu grow. Yeah, also because of social media, climbing is getting famous, and then having a modern boulder gym in the mall is really making climbing in Cebu really big now.
You know how Rock On started? Like, who founded this gym?
The owner, Genevieve, and her husband, Marcel. Yeah, what I know is it was really her dream to open a gym. Since Cebu didn't have its own climbing gym at that time, it was the goal to open up the first modern bouldering gym in Cebu and make the climbing community really grow. Because they want like Cebu to be like Manila or like Singapore, where climbing is everywhere.
JJ, can you promote other events here in Cebu?
Yes, this October 29 to November 2, we'll have our 21st year Last for Lime. We're having a competition here also, just the weekend before Last for Lime.
Yeah, what else can they expect from Cebu City apart from Rock On?
Outdoors, for sure. One of the best outdoors in the Philippines. We have many crags here in Cebu. One in the north, in the south, all over the place.
Okay, JJ, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you guys for watching this very short video. I hope you'll be able to visit Rock On Cebu one of these days. See you in my next videos. Bye.